Unang tawahan niya sning constituency badai nakaseng Congress su Dr. Celestine lingdo harap niya uturik luber ulakren haksur biryada kabaong bakaway ni hikamba magsorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA1 kalawan rajing job kalong kijingla bantaw ke Jaitbynriew thamai na pedeng ke Khasi Jaintia bat Garo balakot dia kata kum ke Jaitbynriew high level. Uba lingdo ulakren niya kani kalbudang yesim bantah kejingeta inya hapor bala pelong ke dorbar mang tingka kata kasingi ke Jaitbynriew jo yeng dorbar thawan bakhat way ke jela. Ulong bahapo kejing sensar jong kening sorkar ke yeng bishar kalapan pau peleng bakila du kejing shania yagi pulit ke Meghalaya bat kumta kalabetha badi banwan rakno dagi pulit ke Central Industrial Security Force hapo ke jela bentokit halor ke jingle jong kini ke Jaitbynriew bethamai kata ke high level.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Meghalaya is inhabited by three major tribes, the Khasi, Garos and the Jaintias. But a new tribe has been allowed to prosper. And because of this new tribe, the police force, the men in uniform in our state now, they have lost face in front of the High Court of Meghalaya. The Honorable High Court, in the rulings which they have given, available in public domain, openly they have said, we have lost trust on the Meghalaya police. What is the name of the new tribe of Meghalaya? It is the high-level tribe. I wish that the government of the day will be able to control the new tribe, the high-level tribes. I wish that our men in uniform will be able to recover back the lost prestige that they have faced under the current dispensation. If I'm allowed to say, sir, this new tribe has been allowed to prosper under the watch of the MDA1.
Ulong ru bahabagi pulit kisem jinge ban penbiang ya kejing dawa jong kini gibri badan hakabor kani kade kejing ma bangi peniat ban ngidu no ikaburam hakmat ki bishar habaro kini kikam badan manu remanu ki basim khia ban le na selendat ulong.